Toby Keith's Twister Relief Concert is coming up this Saturday to benefit victims of the Central Oklahoma tornado.
10 News problem solver Michelle Lowry looks at people trying to make money off the benefit by selling their tickets online.
This eBay post offers 4 tickets for more than $2,000. That's about 700% higher than the original price of $25 per ticket. Marie got in touch to say it is a benefit concert. It is wrong, disrespectful, and immoral for these people to financially gain at the expense of the people of our state who have lost their loved ones or homes. It's very sad. On Craigslist, we found such Twister relief ticket sales were quickly flagged and removed. The offers lingered longer on eBay, but once we got in touch, a spokesperson said listings that are not in compliance with eBay's tickets to charity events policy are now being removed. If you see a listing you think is in violation, use the report item link to flag it for eBay's review. Some of the tickets were put up for auction far below the original $25 ticket price. One we found started the bidding at 99 cents, but it quickly went up into the hundreds of dollars. The policy listed on eBay states tickets to charity events are allowed on the site, but sellers have to donate at least 20% of the final sale price to any charity through eBay Giving Works. The blue and yellow charity ribbon should be displayed on those listings, and it applies to events where at least 50% of the proceeds will go to charity. The Twister relief tickets sold out within a matter of hours, and 100% of proceeds will go to the United Way Central Oklahoma Relief Fund. Michelle Lowry, 2 News works for you.